If you run a local service business, lawn mowing, plumbing, cleaning, gardening, handyman, etc., you've probably noticed Google looks completely different lately. There's AI everywhere. Search results have changed, and you're probably wondering, is this going to hurt my business? Hi, I'm Michael Dunstan, and I've been running a local service business in Melbourne's southeast since 1999. In this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to market your local business in the new world of Google and AI. In plain language, no tech degree needed. Let's start with the big question. What has actually changed? Google has made its biggest updates in 25 years, all driven by artificial intelligence. The most visible change is called AI overviews. That's the AI written summary that sometimes appears at the very top of Google search results. Sounds scary, right? Here's the truth. For local service searches, the kind your customers are doing, AI overviews rarely appear. What still dominates is the map pack. Those 3 local business listings with a map that show up when someone searches lawn mowing near me or plumber Springvale. That map pack is still your golden ticket. What has changed is this. Google now rewards businesses that stay active. Regular updates, fresh photos, new reviews, consistent posts. The businesses that treat their Google presence as a living thing, not a set-and-forget profile, are the ones winning. Voice search is also growing. More and more people are asking their phones questions like, "Who does lawn mowing near me?" And Google is getting very good at answering those with local businesses. The bottom line? The fundamentals still work. You just need to know which levers to pull. In the next video, I'll show you the single most important thing you can do for your local business online right now, and it's free. If you found this useful, subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. And if you want the full written guide, there's a link in the description to the complete ebook. See you in the next one.